Morning, all the participants. Most respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Sabu Thomas, today's guest, Professor Chandra Bhushan Sharma, Professor Vikuti, HOD of the School of Pedagogical Sciences, Dr. P.V. Tulasidharan, the General Convener of today's program, Dr. Professor Jaya Jais, School of Education, my dear colleagues, Dr. Sajna Jalil, the convener and coordinators, Dr. Ismail Tamarashidi, Dr. Sibu Ineto, and Dr. Muhammad KV. Participants, students of Mahatma Gandhi University School of Pedagogical Sciences, research scholars, and the rapporteur, Anukletus. Very good morning to all of you and welcome one and all to the third day of the 5-day national webinar on National Education Policy 2020. We know that NEP 2020 is one of the most discussed topic in our country nowadays. The NEP has proposed many thrilling ideas like maximizing the rich young talent of India, making a feeling of Indianness in everyone who is getting educated in our system as the first education policy of the new millennium. All are eager to see whether the lofty ideals mentioned are put into practice. Every time when we make policies, we have seen that hardly half of the goals are attained. This time, the firm decision that the change, the shift, the paradigm shift, which is in the policy document, will come fruitful and make India into the one of the developed nations, one among the developed nations in the world. And today we have Professor Chandra Bhushan Sharma, who is School of Education, IGNOU, New Delhi, to talk on the making of NEP 2020, the vision, how it has been formulated and how it will be materialized. As known that he is a professor of national repute and he has served as chairman of National Institute of Open Schooling during the period April 15 to April 2020. And we note him as an excellent leader who put many landmark initiatives, including introduction of courses in Bharatiya Parampara, leading to award of secondary and senior secondary certificate in Indian knowledge tradition. He has 3 decades of teaching experience. He is recipient of President's Award for commendable contribution to digital initiatives during the National Convention on Digital Initiatives for Higher Education on 9th July 2017. He has also been named Paul Harris Fellow in appreciation of tangible and significant assistance given for the furtherance of better understanding and friendly relations among peoples of the world by the Rotary Foundation of Rotary International. He has also been Director of Distance Program of the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan CEPSSA, an MHRD IGNOU project. Recognizing his talent and contributions, the Government of India has assigned the responsibility of training of more than 12 lakh untrained in-service teachers to the National Institute of Open Schooling through the Diploma in Elementary Education. And the same was completed in a record time of 18 months. He has been on various national policy framing committees, including the committee constituted by the Government of India to review the National Council for Teacher Education, and the committee constituted by the Government of India to draft the Distance Education Council of India bill in 2015. Both the committees looked at two very important areas, namely the distance education and teacher education. He has been on various statutory bodies, Academic Council, Board of Management, Board of Governors, etc., and also the visitors nominee on selection committee of various open and distance learning as well as traditional institutions. He has been nominated by IGNOU as well as invited to national committees on various areas like 11th Plan, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA, Samagra Shiksha, National Mission on Education, Information and Communication Technology, UGC visiting committees, and so on and so forth. And he was a member of the Indian delegation led by Honorable Human Resource Minister of India to Commonwealth Ministerial Meet held at Bahamas in May 2015. Professor Sharma was invited by Universal Basic Education Commission to facilitate in establishment of an open school in Nigeria in July 2018. Under his leadership, the National Institute of Open Schooling bagged the prestigious Commonwealth of Learning Award of Excellence for Institutional Achievement in Distance Education in November 2016. The NIOS, under his leadership, has made major contributions towards the education of the differently abled, especially the hearing impaired. The initiatives for the deaf learners bagged the Award of Excellence in Distance Education or Online Experience in 2019. Through one of its deaf learners, his contributions towards revamping the Industrial Training Institute and bringing the certificate at par with secondary and senior secondary also was highly appreciated. We are fortunate enough to have him here for speaking on the making of NEP 2020 today. And we know that this professor is a distinguished person with many responsibilities, and we are very much thankful to you, sir, for accepting our invitation. And I, on behalf of Mahatma Gandhi University School of Pedagogical Sciences and the organizers of this national webinar on NEP 2020,